Hi, I'm Chris Wood, CEO of Clario, and today I'm going to talk about why private practice radiology groups are broken, and more importantly, how they can be fixed. I've spent the last 28 years in radiology and hear a pretty consistent message from radiologists when I ask them why they joined a private practice. They want control over their own destiny, and they want to be a partner in a practice that is important to their community. They want variety versus being hyper subspecialized. They want less research, teaching, and administration. And most importantly, they have a desire to produce more, kill the work list, and enjoy the benefits of their hard work through increased compensation and time off. So what happened? Why are private practices struggling? Ask any doctor working in a private practice and you will hear a fairly consistent story. Private practice radiology is facing at least three significant challenges. First, hospitals continue to merge, and the resulting health systems have bigger contracts that are more difficult to manage. Radiology workflow also becomes more cumbersome because the hospital PACS were built for single hospital installations. Old technology does not support good workflow when the enterprise gets very large. Health systems have also adopted EMRs, creating new requirements for practices to technically integrate with other systems. And all the while, reimbursement has been getting cut, increasing the need for radiology groups to produce more for the same level of compensation. The solution to these problems is not to run away from technology, but to invest in your own technology, to improve workflow, do it at a low cost, do it without hurting quality, and delight your customers. In short, you want to get your practice under control. There is no shortage of opinions regarding how to improve efficiency, and certainly one size does not fit all, but I recommend a fair dose of skepticism if you hear one of the three biggest myths to workflow improvement. The first myth is that you need to stop using all the hospital equipment and purchase a very big and very expensive PACS for your practice. While there are advantages to having your own PACS, this is not required or even advisable unless you are a practice only performing teleradiology. The second myth, it is essentially impossible for you to solve these problems and you need to sell your practice to a bigger group. This is also not true and again, not even advisable. As a matter of fact, the worst time to sell your practice is before you solve your workflow problems. Your practice will sell for a much higher multiple if you fix your workflow and present yourself as a tech-savvy practice that brings a scalable business model to the table. The third myth is that you need to build a custom solution. Yes, all practices are different, but they are not so different that you need to hire software engineers and IT people to custom build a solution for you. What you need is a highly configurable solution. History has shown that businesses that build their own software eventually switch over to commercial offerings. This is because the commercial offering can improve over time, leveraging the scale of its business to build a better product. At Clario, we have built a system that really works. We replace your workflow software, not all of your PACS. Instead, we integrate with your PACS and your customers' EMRs. Next, we leverage our vast experience optimizing other practices to fix your specific workflow problems. And lastly, we track quality and efficiency metrics on an ongoing basis. We then work with you to continue to refine and optimize your workflow while your practice expands. To learn more about Clario's purpose-built, smart radiology worklist, email us at info@clariomedical.com.